Cultivating Financial Harmony in Relationships. Welcome to Secrets of a Successful Relationship. In today's video, we'll be diving into the topic of cultivating financial harmony in relationships. Discover how aligning financial goals, open communication, setting budgets, compromising on decisions, and investing together can strengthen the bond between partners. Don't miss out on these essential tips for a successful relationship. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more valuable insights on maintaining a healthy and thriving relationship. Let's get started. Aligning financial goals can strengthen the bond between partners. One crucial aspect of achieving financial harmony in relationships is aligning financial goals. When partners share common objectives and work together towards them, it can have a powerful impact on their bond. This alignment fosters a sense of unity and cohesion within the relationship, as both individuals feel like they are moving in the same direction and contributing towards a shared vision of the future. Having aligned financial goals also helps in establishing a strong foundation of trust and communication between partners. By openly discussing their aspirations, priorities, and concerns regarding finances, couples can deepen their understanding of each other's values and motivations. This level of transparency and collaboration not only strengthens their connection but also promotes a sense of mutual respect and support. Moreover, when partners work together to achieve their financial goals, it encourages a sense of accountability and responsibility within the relationship. Each individual feels a sense of ownership and commitment towards the shared objectives, leading to a more proactive and dedicated approach to managing finances. This collective effort can enhance problem-solving skills, resilience, and adaptability, as partners navigate through various challenges and successes along the way. In essence, aligning financial goals serves as a roadmap towards a more harmonious and fulfilling relationship. It not only cultivates a sense of togetherness and partnership but also lays the groundwork for long-term stability and prosperity. By prioritizing open communication, shared objectives, and mutual support in financial matters, partners can deepen their connection and create a strong foundation for a successful and sustainable relationship. Open communication about money can lead to a deeper connection. Effective communication about finances plays a fundamental role in fostering a deeper connection between partners. When individuals engage in open and honest conversations about money matters, it creates a space for understanding, empathy, and mutual respect within the relationship. Such discussions allow both partners to express their perspectives, concerns, and priorities regarding financial decisions, leading to a greater awareness of each other's values and attitudes towards money. Moreover, open communication about money can serve as a catalyst for strengthening emotional intimacy and trust between partners. By sharing their financial goals, challenges, and aspirations, individuals invite vulnerability and transparency into their relationship, which in turn deepens the emotional bond. When couples feel comfortable discussing money matters openly, they are more likely to work together as a team, supporting each other through financial ups and downs with empathy and compassion. In addition to enhancing emotional intimacy, discussing finances openly can also lead to increased collaboration and problem-solving skills within the relationship. When partners openly address financial conflicts or dilemmas, they have the opportunity to brainstorm solutions together, leverage each other's strengths, and explore creative ways to overcome obstacles. This collaborative approach not only strengthens the bond between partners but also equips them with valuable tools for addressing future financial challenges as a united front. Overall, open communication about money is a key ingredient in nurturing a deep and meaningful connection between partners. By fostering trust, empathy, collaboration, and problem-solving skills, couples can build a solid foundation for a harmonious and resilient relationship. Through honest and transparent conversations about finances, individuals not only strengthen their bond but also pave the way for long-term financial stability, growth, and shared prosperity. Setting a budget together promotes trust and cooperation. When couples collaborate on setting a budget together, it instills a sense of trust and cooperation within the relationship. By jointly establishing financial boundaries and goals, partners demonstrate their commitment to shared values and priorities, fostering a greater sense of unity and teamwork. This process of creating a budget together encourages open communication and compromise, allowing both individuals to actively participate in decision-making and resource allocation. Moreover, setting a budget as a couple can serve as a means to cultivate financial accountability and responsibility. When partners work together to outline their income, expenses, and savings targets, they hold each other accountable for adhering to the agreed-upon financial plan. This shared accountability not only promotes transparency and honesty but also reinforces trust and mutual respect, laying the groundwork for a solid financial partnership. In addition to building trust and accountability, collaborating on a budget empowers couples to align their financial goals and aspirations, fostering a sense of unity and cooperation in working towards shared objectives. By engaging in discussions about short-term and long-term financial plans, partners can ensure that their individual financial aspirations complement each other, ultimately leading to a more harmonious and synchronized approach to money management. This shared vision and coordinated effort towards achieving financial milestones can strengthen the bond between partners and enhance their sense of partnership and collaboration. Overall, the act of setting a budget together not only facilitates trust and cooperation but also cultivates a deeper sense of financial partnership and unity within relationships. By engaging in open communication, accountability, and goal alignment through budgeting, couples can establish a strong foundation for navigating financial challenges, achieving shared aspirations, and fostering a harmonious and cooperative financial future together. Learning to compromise on financial decisions is key to a successful relationship. Mastering the art of compromise when making financial decisions plays a pivotal role in shaping a successful and harmonious relationship. It requires partners to navigate differences in financial priorities, spending habits, and attitudes towards money by finding common ground through negotiation and mutual understanding. The ability to compromise on financial matters reflects a couple's willingness to prioritize the collective well-being of the relationship over individual preferences or desires, fostering a culture of collaboration and shared decision-making. Moreover, learning to compromise on financial decisions provides couples with an opportunity to strengthen their communication skills and conflict resolution strategies. In navigating disagreements over money matters, partners are compelled to engage in open and constructive dialogue, actively listening to each other's perspectives, and finding solutions that accommodate both parties' needs and preferences. This process not only improves communication within the relationship but also enhances partners' ability to resolve conflicts in a respectful and effective manner, laying the groundwork for a lasting and resilient bond. In addition to enhancing communication and conflict resolution skills, the practice of compromising on financial decisions cultivates a sense of teamwork and unity within couples. By engaging in discussions about budgeting, spending, saving, and investing, partners learn to view financial decisions as collective endeavors that require mutual input and cooperation. This shared approach to money management not only promotes a sense of equality and partnership but also strengthens the bond between individuals as they work together towards common financial goals and objectives. Ultimately, embracing compromise in financial decision-making not only fosters harmony and understanding in relationships but also builds a strong foundation for long-term financial stability and success. By prioritizing compromise, communication, and collaboration in navigating money matters, couples can overcome differences, build trust and respect, and cultivate a resilient partnership based on shared values, goals, and aspirations. Investing in the future together builds a sense of security and unity. When couples choose to invest in their future together, they not only secure their financial well-being but also foster a sense of security, unity, and shared identity within the relationship. Planning and working towards common long-term goals, such as saving for a house, retirement, or a family, create a sense of partnership and a shared vision for the future. This collective pursuit of financial security instills a deep sense of unity and cooperation, as partners actively contribute towards building a stable and fulfilling life together. Furthermore, investing in the future together provides couples with a sense of reassurance and stability amidst life's uncertainties. By creating financial plans, setting goals, and making joint investment decisions, partners establish a framework for navigating challenges and unexpected events, such as job loss, illness, or economic downturns. This proactive approach to securing their financial future fosters a sense of security and resilience, as couples feel better equipped to handle adversity and stay united in the face of challenges. Moreover, the act of investing in the future together not only strengthens the bond between partners but also deepens their emotional connection and commitment to each other. Shared financial goals and aspirations create opportunities for couples to dream, plan, and grow together, building a sense of intimacy, trust, and companionship. As partners work collaboratively towards achieving their long-term objectives, they forge a stronger emotional bond based on mutual support, understanding, and shared values, enhancing the overall quality and longevity of their relationship. By investing in their future together, couples lay the groundwork for a stable, harmonious, and fulfilling life journey that is guided by shared aspirations, mutual growth, and a strong sense of unity. Building a financial foundation based on common goals and joint decision-making not only enhances the security and well-being of the relationship but also nurtures a deep sense of partnership and togetherness. Through their commitment to planning, investing, and growing together, couples create a legacy of strength, unity, and enduring love that transcends financial success and enriches every aspect of their lives. Cultivating financial harmony in relationships. Ready to take your relationship to the next level? Dive deeper into the secrets of financial harmony on our channel. Subscribe now for more expert advice on building a strong and lasting connection. Don't miss out on the key to a successful relationship.